Good morning, my name is Jolyn Wang, and today I will be speaking about translating shapes. A translation moves a shape up, down, or from side to side, but it does not change its appearance in any other way. Translation is an example of transformation. A transformation is a way of changing the size or position of a shape. Every point in the shape is translated the same distance in the same direction. For example, I will be translating square A, B, C, and D. We can use the notation capital T for translation. In this example, the corresponding point in the image's x-coordinate will increase by 4, and the corresponding point in the image's y-coordinate will decrease by 5. So I will work with each vertices or point at a time. First is point A. The corresponding point will be going to the right 4 because the x-coordinate is being increased, and down 5 because the y-coordinate is being decreased. Next is point B. The x increases by 4, making it 2, and the y is decreased by 5, making it 0. Point C would be 2, -3, and finally point D. And there we have it. Thank you for listening.